Okay, there, everyone. Hope you're all doing good. So it's been so long since I've put up a video about any of the MacBook repairs I've been doing because it's been so quite hectic. So there's not much time to shoot, edit, and post the videos on the Instagram and YouTube channel. But still, I'm trying to post as short videos, at least short videos as possible. So today's case is this MacBook M1 2020 model, which came in with an issue of not turning on. So upon inspection, I have noticed that there's a short on PP bus AON. It stands for always on signal. It is a 13 volt line. There was a short on it. It was 1 ohm short to ground. So I have injected 1 volt. Sorry, I'm about to inject 1 volt. Let's just see here. I've set it at 1 volt. At 1.5 volt, it's taking 2 amps and 100 milliamp. And 2 amps means something is getting boiling hot on the board. So this is it. So let's just inspect what's getting hot on the board. I'll just move the board around for, oh yes, as you can see, it is heating up to 100 and is a PP bus AON capacitor which is heating more than at 100 degrees centigrade. We found it. So it is somewhere in this line. Yeah, yes. See, I am moving my tweezer like this. So you can see the same here. One, two, three, four, fifth cap. This capacitor. This one is shorted. This is short circuited. All thanks to my thermal camera. So now what I'll do is I'll take out this second capacitor from the bottom, this one, and I'll see if it is still taking the same amperage at 1.5 volt. So the capacitor is out. So this is the faulty capacitor which we took out, which was here. In this whole array of capacitors, it was here. This was a capacitor which was faulty. So let's turn the power supply again and see if it is taking any amperage. 0. It was taking 2 amps earlier, now it's taking 0. So that means the short circuit is relieved. There is no short circuit anywhere in the board. Now the board should turn on. So what I'll do now is I will take this probes off. I'll put the fuse back and let's check the input voltage and amperage together. So this is where the capacitor was short. So the capacitor is out, and this is the point where I was injecting 1 volt. So the fuse is also back. Now let's check if the voltage is going to 20 volts or not. If previously it was stuck at 5 volts, now the short is gone. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 20 volts. MacBook is fixed. Let me put this motherboard back in the casing and get back from there. So the whole MacBook is assembled. The board, the screws, the battery, everything is fixed. So now I am putting it. Let's see if it turns on or not. Here we go. Oh, great. It turned on. Let's cover it. Which is the client name will be something. Yeah, it's on. MacBook fixed. 2020 M1 model. Yes, battery is charging too. Another day, another win. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video next time.